Hello students. So in the last class we discussed about what is citizenship and the articles regarding to citizenship. So in today's class we are going to discuss about how we can terminate the citizenship or which are the ways that we can use for the termination of citizenship. This may be helpful for you for your CLE preparation and also for your semester examination. So we can start our class. Yeah. So there are three ways for terminating our citizenship. Which are they? Yes, that is what we are going to discuss now. That is, they are renunciation, termination, and deprivation. Okay? Which are they? Renunciation, termination, and deprivation. These are discussed in the sections of 8, 9, and 10 of Indian Citizenship Act 1955. So, in these three ways, we can terminate our citizenship. We can go through the renunciation. Renunciation is the first technique that is used for termination of citizenship. It is discussed in the section 8 of Indian Citizenship Act 1955. It is a declaration which is renounced by a person. He renounces his citizenship, that is renunciation. A declaration can be made by any citizen of India of full age capacity, that is renunciation. If that renunciation is declared during the war time, it shall be withheld by the central government. It is the second point included in this. And the last point is that when this renunciation is made by a minor, then it is also renunciation. But it is not applied when that minor child has already attained the age of 18 years, hence he may resume Indian citizenship. So these are the points included in renunciation. This is so simple technique. So next we can go to the technique of termination. That is the second way. Termination is explained in the section 9 of Indian Citizenship Act 1955. In this section, it is explaining about it occurs when an Indian citizen voluntarily means knowingly or concisely and without duress or undue influence or compulsion. If there is no compulsion or any fraud, anything is not there, and he is voluntarily saying that or acquiring the citizenship of another country, he is not acquiring the citizenship of India. He is voluntarily acquiring the citizenship of another country, then automatically as a result of this, his Indian citizenship terminates. That's the thing. Okay, his his Indian citizenship is terminating automatically by if he is voluntarily acquiring the citizenship of another country. This provision does not apply during a war in which India is engaged. So these are the things which is telling about second way, that is termination. Okay. Next we can move on to the next section, that is section 10, which explains about deprivation. So in deprivation, it is saying that this is a compulsory termination by the central government in the following condition. It is terminated, it is a compulsory termination which is directed by the central government. Which are the conditions? We can go through those conditions. The first condition is that if the citizen has obtained the citizenship by using fraud. If he acquired the citizenship by using fraud, then his citizenship will be cancelled or terminated. Okay. The next condition is that if the citizen has shown disloyalty to the Constitution of India, then his citizenship will be terminated. Okay. If the citizen has shown any kind of disloyalty to this Constitution of India, then he cannot acquire the citizenship of India. The third thing is that if trading or communicating with enemy unlawfully during a war by a citizen, if that country, another country is considered as an enemy, then trading with them or communicate with them will decline a citizenship. Fourth point is that if the citizen has been ordinarily resident out of India or he is living out of India for 7 years continuously, then his citizenship will decline his citizenship will be cancelled. The final condition is that if the person has acquired Indian citizenship by registration or naturalization and within 5 years of it he has been imprisoned in any country for 2 years, then he cannot be the citizen of India. Okay, so these are the main conditions which are coming under the section of section 10, that is deprivation. So I think you got an idea about this topic. We discussed about termination of citizenship and about section 8, 9, 10, which are discussing about renunciation, termination and deprivation. So I hope this video was helpful for you. So please like, comment and subscribe this channel for more videos. Okay, thank you.